Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we will dive into the fun and easy coding projects. Today we are going to build a simple game in Python that's perfect for beginners. You will learn how to generate random numbers using loops, take user input and get feedback on whether their guess is too high or too low. Sounds fun, right? So let's jump right into it. Alright, so I am here on Google Colab. So here we have imported import random module because computer need to choose from a random integer, right? So that's why we need to use this import random module. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take the user input first of all. So I will simply say user guess and here I'm going to use input, okay? We are aware of input statement or input function which helps you to take the input from the user. So I will simply write enter your guess. Now when I use this, you will see something interesting. Here, whenever we use the input function, it always takes the input in the form of string. Even if you enter a number, it will always take it as a string. Just for the fact, I'm just gonna show you the, proof. So here I'm gonna use the type, which basically helps you to check the type or data type of the variable. Okay, so let's just see what we get here. I'm just gonna enter the value. It is gonna be 6. For according to us, it is in the form of number, right? But when you will see the output, it's going to give you str, that stands for string. So that is the reason we need to make sure that whenever we are taking an input from the user and we are going to do some mathematical operation on it, it's really important for us to use int before it, so that whatever input user enters, that is a number, it should be converted into an integer. Now if I run it, you will see the class is going to be int. There you go. So yeah, now the variable is ready to use. Next, let's go for the computer choice, because computer will be given choice within a range where it can literally choose any number randomly, right? So when I mentioned random, so of course I will need the random module. Now from this random module, I will need to choose randint. So randint basically method helps the computer to choose any random integer within a given range. So that's why we are using randint here, because it will only pick the integer, right? So now we are done with the variables. Now it's time for us to check them, right? But we want this checking to be continuous until the user guesses the correct answer or the correct choice, right? So here for this, we know we will be using the while loop. Now here I will be keeping while as true, because until we get the correct answer, this loop needs to keep on repeating. And with that, it should keep on taking the input from the user also, right? So for that, what I'm going to do now here, I will simply use the if condition, which will basically say if user guess is less than computer choice, we will just go for the computer choice. So computer choice, we are going to print what? We will be printing your guess is low, okay? Your guess is low, right? Now, of course, we will have to ask the question again, so we can use it from here, right? And if the user guess is greater than computer choice, then what we are going to do, we will be printing simply saying your guess is high, right? Now once it is done, we will simply say else print, so it's gonna be your guess is right, or you guessed it right. It's absolutely okay with any of it. So here it is, your guess is high, your guess is low. All right. So now let's just check. Okay, I will have to use this again, right? Otherwise it will get stuck here. Let's run it. Let's see what we get. So 6, your guess is high. Okay, 8, your guess is high. So you will say it is going high. All right, that means I need to move to low, right? Enter your guess is high again. Okay, guess is high. 4, your guess is high. 3, your guess is high. 2, you guessed it right. So you will see it is working, but there is a problem with the while loop. It always goes into your infinite if you are not going to stop it. So for this, either you can use the condition at the top, but here I have already done it. So I'm just going to use the break statement. So if I use the break statement, So this break is going to break the loop as soon as this condition gets printed. Sorry, this output gets printed, right? So let's just move ahead. Okay. All right, let me just stop it once. Okay. Your guess is high. 3. Your guess is low. You guessed it right. So yes, it's working perfectly fine. So now there is one more thing. Either you can use break here, or either you can do one more thing. I will just write it here. You can also write the condition saying that if user guess is not equals to computer choice, then also in that case you will not have to use the break. It will stop automatically. So we can say it is not equals to, till this is not equals to, it will keep on running. So you can say computer choice. So if you replace true with this, then also it would be fine. You will not have to use this break statement after this. And that's it. You've created your very own number guessing game in Python. This project is perfect for learning about loops, conditionals, and user input, all while having some fun. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more coding tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.